Arbitrationagreements.org. It's a term often bandied around in law and business, but have you ever wondered about the individuals who make arbitration possible? Today we are going to talk about one such crucial player, the neutral. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. Now, when we say neutral, we are not talking about a color palette or a stance in a conflict. Instead, a neutral in arbitration is an impartial third party that helps resolve disputes outside the traditional courtroom setting. Think of it like this. You got two parties in a dispute. Instead of going to court, they decide to have their issue resolved by an arbitration neutral. It's quicker, generally cheaper, and often less adversarial. Now, these neutrals are not just anybody off the street. They are typically experienced professionals, often with legal backgrounds, who have undergone specialized training in arbitration. Some are retired judges, others are seasoned attorneys or experts in specific fields. Here's an interesting fact. According to a recent survey, in 2022, there were over 9,000 arbitrators and mediators available for dispute resolution in the United States alone. These neutrals have a responsibility to remain unbiased throughout the process. They can't favor one party over the other, regardless of their personal feelings or beliefs. That's why they are called neutrals. They, well, have to stay neutral. Arbitration is a significant aspect of conflict resolution. A study by Cornell University showed that from 2003 to 2020, the use of arbitration in commercial contracts rose from about 50% to nearly 95%. And neutrals are at the heart of this process. In the end, the neutral's role is to consider all the evidence and arguments presented by both parties, make a decision, or help the parties reach an agreement themselves. The decision made by a neutral is typically binding, similar to a court ruling. Thus, neutrals in arbitration are like referees in a game. They don't play for any side, but their role is crucial in determining the outcome of the match. If you want to learn more information about arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think about the concept of arbitration neutrals? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.